Hello everyone, welcome to our channel today. Today we're going to discuss the last formula, heat clearing formula in different organs. The name of this formula we're going to discuss is Bai Tou Weng Tang. Bai Tou Weng Tang, Bai Tou Weng is a herb. So this formula is named after the main herbs in this formula. This formula is also very simple. The ingredients are Bai Tou Weng, Huang Lian, Huang Bo, Qin Pi. So there's only 4 ingredients in this formula. The main function of this formula is used to treat diarrhea. But this diarrhea is due to the heat. So we call 热, in Mandarin we call 热痢. Li is a kind of a diarrhea. And this diarrhea is due to the patient have too much heat in the body. So this diarrhea is not as simple as the normal diarrhea. The symptom of this kind of diarrhea, the patient will feel the heaviness at the anus. This kind of diarrhea, the patient will have the hot feeling, either the hot feeling or the heaviness in the anus. So the patient will tell you they have that kind of heaviness. What's more, this kind of diarrhea, the patient not only pass out the stool, sometimes they got the problem, they passing out the blood. The patient also may have abdominal pain and red tongue, yellow coating, and wiry and rapid pulse. The cause of all these symptoms are due to the internal heat. So the patient will be thirsty, we have the diarrhea, we have the pain in the abdomen, and also sometimes bleeding in the intestine. That's why they have bloody stool. Bai Tou Weng, the main herbs of this formula, it goes to Yang Mi meridian. Yang Mi meridian is the meridian in intestine, especially in the large intestine. Bai Tou Weng can go to blood level, so the herbs go to the blood level, can relieve the heat in the blood level. While the patient have bloody stool or the blood in the stool, it's actually because the heat goes to the blood level. When the heat goes in the blood level, it causes bleeding. So it's very similar if it's too hot in the wall of the intestine. So it causes bleeding there. Bai Tou Weng can go to blood level to clear the heat, to reduce the heat in blood level. Huang Lian we have discussed quite a few times. It's very bitter and it can clear the heat. Except Huang Lian has the function to clear the heat and dampness. So the heaviness in the anus area in Chinese medicine is due to the dampness in the body. So it's not only the heat, it's actually the combination of heat and dampness. We're going to discuss the other formula for this condition. When the patient have heat and dampness in the body, when they have these two combined together, we said this condition we call the summer heat, because in summer, most of the time, especially in China, also I found in South Africa, especially in Joburg, have very similar condition. In summer, the temperature is high. At the meantime, it rains a lot. So when the temperature high, it's hot, and rains a lot, the water, the dampness, the climate is humid, the heat and the humid condition, when they combine together, this condition we call summer heat. So these are the properties of summer heat. Here, because the patient have this kind of symptom, the heaviness there. The heaviness indicates the dampness in the body. That's why we use Huang Lian, Huang Bo, Huangbo also can clear the dampness and heat in lower jaw. If the patient only have diarrhea and heaviness in anal area is not severe, you also can reduce the dose of Huanglian and Huangbo, because the main function of this is to clear the heat and to relieve the dampness. You can only use Bai Tou Weng and Qingpi. When we see a patient with diarrhea, especially have blood in stool, we need to be careful. The blood stool is due to, it's actually the bleeding in the intestine. This kind of patient, it's actually have the bleeding in the intestine. But this kind of condition, we need to distinguish this condition is due to heat only, or if the patient have deficiency. It's such as after giving birth, and the patient will have blood deficiency, and so the patient have deficiency condition. When we use this formula, we need to be careful. We need to add something to tonify the blood. We need to add something for this kind of deficiency condition, such as 甘草阿胶, to tonify the blood. If the patient have excess heat cause the intestine bleeding, we need to add something to stop bleeding, such as 银花炭、生地炭、丹皮赤芍. So 丹皮赤芍 we have discussed before in 犀角地黄汤. These are two, 丹皮 and 赤芍 can go to blood level to clear the heat there. And 生地炭, it's actually charcoal. 银花炭, also 银花is the flower we make into charcoal. So as you can see the charcoal, the color of the charcoal is black. In Chinese medicine theories, when we see bleeding, sometimes we use black herbs to stop bleeding, because in Chinese medicine theories, we thought that the black can stop bleeding. Why black color can stop bleeding? We said the red, when the red color, when it meets the black color, the red will stop. It's actually from 5 elements. Bleeding is due to the heat, it's the fire. Black is the water. So in 5 elements, the water can control the fire. That's why we thought that black stuff can stop bleeding. The black stuff can stop the red stuff, which is bleeding. That's why we use charcoals to stop bleeding. You actually can see from these charcoals, these black stuff, black herbs, we use like 银花炭 or 生地炭. Some 生地炭 is the herb 生地 and the herb 银花. 银花 is 金银花, is the herb to clear the heat. And 生地 is a cold herb, it's the herbs to tonify yin. So as you can see from here, we use the herbs which can clear the heat to reduce the heat in the body. So we have said that this kind of diarrhea is due to internal heat. So we use 金银花, we use 生地 to clear the heat in the body. At the meantime, because of bleeding, so we make these herbs into charcoals. We have the black color, the charcoal can stop bleeding. So when instead of using the herbs directly, 金银花 or 生地, we make them into black. If we have both efficacies of clearing heat and stopping bleeding. Thank you for watching our video today. For more information, you can visit our website.